Hi, my name's John. I'm the site manager here at Carlisle Castle, and I'm delighted to say we're now open to the public once again.
Hi, I'm Jules Wooding, Museum Manager here at Cumbria's Museum of Military Life, based in Carlisle Castle. We have a whole range of procedures in place to make sure that your visit is enjoyable and safe.
Following government guidelines, we've implemented a one-way system around the castle, and we have provided ample hand sanitizing units, and we are carrying out an extensive cleaning regime every hour throughout the period we are open to the public. We are working in partnership with Cumbria's Museum of Military Life. All tickets must be booked through the English Heritage website, and that ticket will get you joint access both to the castle and indeed to the museum itself.
So here at Cumbria's Museum of Military Life, we tell the story of the Border Regiment, the King's Own Royal Border Regiment, and the antecedent regiments, the 34th Foot and the 55th Foot, and of course a bit of the Duke of Lancaster's regiment. And this is a varied history. So the varied history includes way back at Culloden, when the 34th Regiment of Foot were fighting at Culloden, right up to present day Afghanistan. We have various other things. We've muskets, we've got colours, we've got lots and lots of drums. We've also got a two-headed eagle that was taken from the Opera House at Sebastopol in the Crimean War in the 1850s. And we also have a complete kit worn by a soldier in Northern Ireland in the 1970s. So we have a whole varied collection of items here, lots of things to appeal to people and lots of things for people to see.
Come and visit almost 1,000 years of England's story. Here on the Anglo-Scottish border, it was a volatile area for many centuries. So we are the most besieged castle in Britain. We suffered the longest siege of a castle and indeed city in British history, and the very last siege of a castle in England all happened here at Carlisle. So almost, as I say, 1,000 years of history and connections with many kings and queens, mainly with England, but there were one or two Scots kings and queens here at Carlisle as well.